Before we begin this tutorial, please ensure you have the latest version of Java installed. The first thing you'll want to do is download CraftBukkit from the link below. I recommend you download the development build. It might have a couple glitches in it, but trust me, the compatibility is usually better. I recommend you download it into a new folder. It's going to create a bunch of files once you run it. I named my folder Bukkit and put it on my desktop. Okay, now that we've downloaded CraftBukkit, we need to create a run.bat. Just copy and paste the information from the description below into Notepad. Save the file as run.bat. Make sure the save type is set to all files. You'll also want to save it in the same folder as your craftbukkit.jar. Click the run file to start your server and create a world. Once it's finished running, type stop at the bottom of the prompt, and then hit enter. Open your web browser and type in 192.168.1.1. Enter your Linksys username and password. Once the setup page pops up, you'll want to click on status to the far right. Take note of the internet IP address. This is going to be the address for your server. Near the top, click on Local Network, then on DHCP Client Table. This is going to bring up every device attached to your router. You'll want to find your computer. Once you've located your computer, note the IP address. This is the address we'll put in the server properties file. Close the window and click on the Applications and Gaming tab at the top of the screen. Enter Minecraft for the application name. Enter 25565 for both the external and the internal port. In the slot at the end of the IP address, enter the last three numbers of the second address of which you took note. Ensure protocol is set to both and enabled is checked. Save your changes and close the window. Open the folder with your CraftBukkit and click on the Server Properties file. About halfway down, you'll see Server IP. Enter the second address of which you took note. Save the file and then launch Minecraft. Click on Multiplayer and then on Add Server. Name your server and then enter the first address of which you took note. Immediately after that, enter :25565. This is so the server knows which port to use. And that's it. You successfully set up a CraftBukkit server. I'm Dragon Tier 6 and I'll see you next time.